Hey YouTube, Scott Off-Road, how you doing today? Well, we're working on Matt's Jeep doing a install on the hothead headliners. He's running a 2010 JKU four-door Rubicon. He also bought the Sound Assassins to go with it. This is my first time with this microphone. We'll see how well this works, so follow along. Thanks, have a blessed day. This is a preview of what the Jeep looked like before we started. It's just standard stock white, and here we are starting to scuff it. Per the instructions, we're only supposed to scuff a couple of areas where the double-sided stick goes, and we're only supposed to do a couple scuffs per area. So we're going to do that, and then we're going to wipe it down with acetone. This was the hardest part of the prep work and in the install, was prepping above the speaker pods. Now I did talk to hotheads today, and that was totally unnecessary. You're not supposed to scuff above the speaker pods, and you're not supposed to install the assassin strips above the speaker pods as well. So this wasted about 20 minutes of our day. Now we're installing the assassin strips to the ribbed areas of the hardtop. These are just sound deadeners to help with basically the sound. They're pretty easy to do. You just peeled the backing and stuck them in the rib, and then use the included roller and rolled them in. Young, this was the hardest part that we came across was putting the assassin strips above the sound pods. Young, talking to hotheads, this was unnecessary, and it in fact will affect your satellite radio if you have one installed. So don't waste your time putting the assassin strips above the sound pods. Do not waste your time prepping above the sound pods. According to hotheads, it's not necessary, and the product will work just fine without that. So we make a mistake, you learn from it.
Bye.